Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Kansas leather manager chair. Features. The Kansas manager chair is fitted with a generously proportioned seat and backrest with ruche upholstery and stylish heavy-duty arms for maximum user comfort, and is supplied with black soft-feel leather facings with matching vinyl back and sides. The chair is fitted with a lockable reclining tilt mechanism. By pressing the lever in, you can lock the seat in the upright position. Pull it out again and the seat will recline freely. The tension control is adjustable to suit the user's body weight. The gas seat height can be adjusted to suit the user by pulling the lever up. The Kansas comes with a chrome base and twin-wheeled hooded casters as standard. A matching visitor chair is available. A TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Fire retardant to BS 5852 and is offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Unbeatable price, available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.